Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker, and I am back with another video. Now listen, before we get into anything, man, we are on the eve of the opening week, the full opening week of NFL season 2019, and y'all know the vibes. Y'all know what we doing here in Ohio, man. There ain't no Bengals over here. You know what I'm saying? It's Buckeyes and Browns in this household, and I got. You know what I'm saying? I have a reason to talk this season. Finally, I can come out of the shadows, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got to be hiding. I ain't got to have a bag over my head rooting for my team, you know what I'm saying, with tears in my eyes. We got Baker. We got Odell. We got Jarvis. We got Chubb. You know what I'm saying? We got Myles Garrett. We got Denzel Ward. And we got my boy Christian Kirksey. Can I get a... Y'all know the vibes? I don't know. They ain't got nothing to do with this video, but I just wanted to talk about my brownies, baby. You know what I'm saying? Because it's our year. That's what we going to the we go at least going to the playoffs. We doing that. We went 0-16 2 years ago. It's ridiculous. Anyway, that's not why you guys are here. That's not why you clicked on this video. But I appreciate you guys coming to watch another one of my videos, man. If you're new around here and that big red button down. And that big button down below is still red, make sure that button is great. Come over here and join the movement, man. We just went over the 2,000 supporter mark on here on the platform, on my channel on the platform, and I'm more than appreciative, man. I appreciate each and every one of you guys that continue to come and watch my videos. Now, there was no Supreme pickups or anything like that this week, but I do have 2 bags. And which one is it? Okay. This bag right here, these shirts in this bag, the order was placed on July 6th, 2019. It is September 6th, 2019. Y'all do the math. So I finally have these in hand. When I got a text message saying that this package was shipped, I didn't even like, what the hell did I order? What? I don't remember. 2 months ago, I ordered these. You would think it was coming from China. I don't even think it takes that long for their fake stuff they be shipping out to people. And this one, I ordered about a week ago. Hey. All right, so we're gonna chill for a second. We're gonna get back into it, man. We're gonna crack into these bags. All right, y'all, so this first bag coming in from New Jersey, man. And I purchased this on the 28th of last month, I believe. And it was a part of the Labor Day sale they had going on. Now, I did a huge unboxing on staple pigeons before. I think I got, I'll try to put a card up of all of the stuff that I got. And they were running a 75% off sale on their website. Crazy steals, like really, really dope quality pieces. And over Labor Day, they were doing 50% off, I believe, or something like that on the website. And I wanted to get on there real quick and try to get a couple things, because everything that I got during that 75% off sale was pretty much fall winter stuff. It was really heavy stuff and stuff that I haven't even had a chance to wear yet, because it's all heavier and long sleeve stuff. So I wanted to get on there and grab some t-shirts, stuff that I can wear now, and transitioning through the seasons. So I only got 2 tees. That's all I really wanted, and it came to, the price isn't on here. I don't know. I'll try to put a receipt up or something like that if I can find it. This is just a receipt showing what you got. It doesn't have the pricing on it, but I'll show you the retail prices on this stuff as well. And I might even do a try on. I have no idea of all 3 of these pieces. But like I said, this is a staple pigeon pieces. I got 2 tees. This first tee is $32 retail. And I can see through the bag. The graphics on this are huge. So let me see how you crack into this bag. shout out to Staple Pigeons, man, for being quick on their shipping and different things like that. This actually came yesterday, but I knew this was the other bag was coming today, so I figured I'd do them both at the same time. And as you can see on the front of this tee, you have the huge pigeon up here, and down at the bottom you have the beginning of staple, and then it finishes on the back. Really, really, really dope. I'm gonna have to put this on body, man. I'm gonna have to try this stuff on, see what this stuff stuff looks like on body. But this stuff is really, really, really dope. All right, that's one t-shirt. Y'all let me know, y'all comment down below how y'all feel about these different pieces. Like I said, this stuff was 50% off. I actually posted it on my IG as well, telling people to go take advantage of these sales while you can, because it's not often that you get really, really high quality streetwear for 50 or 75% off, so you have to take full advantage of it when you can. You got another blue and white striped tee. Oh, this is fire. Now you can see it got the stripes all the way, horizontal stripes all the way around in navy, and you have this huge pigeon here, but it's all embroidered. Really, really high quality, all embroidered. The front part of the body is on the front and the tail end is on the back. Really, really dope. And the retail on this is $34. So I think I'll put the receipt up, but it was like 50% off, then shipping and stuff like that. So those are the two pieces that I got from Staple Pigeons. Now we're gonna get into this bag. I got two more tees, I believe, that took 2 months to get here. Let's crack into that bag. All right, so I'm really, really excited about both of those pieces right there. Perfect, great quality, graphics, detailing, amazing. Now, this is more of your hype beast type pickup. This came in from California. I didn't know, you know what I'm saying, they delivered things by cart and buggy out there in California, apparently. I hope this, okay, that's on the bag. I thought that was a stain. Another receipt that just tells you what you got, not how much you paid. But all right, so anybody that has ordered, this is my first and going to be my last. I'm glad I got two things and not just one. This is a pickup from Anti-Social Social Club. Now you know what I'm saying, once I got back into collecting sneakers again about a year and a half ago, I had seen all of the stuff, you know what I'm saying, that's going on in the streetwear, and I started getting back into it, and I seen that this was one of the pieces, you know what I'm saying, one of the brands that were popping right now, you know what I'm saying. I don't know how popping they are currently, but they were popping at the time when I was like, oh, that looks pretty dope. It's a cool graphic. So I never bought anything. I didn't really know, like even with Supreme, I'm like, I don't know when it drops. I don't know like the days and all of that, and you know. But recently, 2 months ago, I was like, you know what? I was talking to my boy Carlos Vega a while before that, and he was talking to me about it, and he said, go ahead, you know what I'm saying? And I told him that I made my first purchase. He said, it's gonna be a while before you get your stuff. And he wasn't lying. So the first, I don't even remember what week this is or what the drops are called or anything like that, but all I wanted was the original OG regular Anti-Social Social Club tee with the graphic on the left chesticle, and on the back you got the full graphic Anti-Social Social Club. It's really, really simple, but it's really, really dope to me. They have their own tees, like it's not like a Hanes tee or you know, anything like that. They have their own branding for their size label, same vibe, same size medium, and that's all that was. So that was one tee, and then the other one was a little bit more, you know what I'm saying, a little bit more to it. It's the same graphic, obviously, because that's their logo, but added a little spice to it. You got the pink X that goes through the logo, looks painted on, and the same thing on the back. Anti-social social club with the pink X going through the graphic. Really, really dope. Simple but clean, and then you got the hit of color that makes it pop. You know what I'm saying? So this stuff took 2 months to ship to me. 2 months. So I will never be ordering anything from Anti-Social Club again. Hopefully when I try this stuff on, that it's fire, but you will not be getting any more business from it. You know what I'm saying? And anybody that's thinking about it or has thought about it, just know that you spend your money, you better be ready to sit on that money, no matter how much you spend, for a couple months. Because you're not, I don't know if you live closer to California, if you get it faster, but over here in Ohio, it took literally almost 2 months to the day to get to my doorstep from the time I placed my order. So I'm going to try a couple of these pieces on. I don't feel like changing 4 outfits, but I'm gonna try a couple pieces on, and y'all let me know how y'all feel about it on body.
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks off fire you desire. My rock can maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip. Get them early, I never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, Sneaker